thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make something that I have available in my fridge and pantry. So whatever I have left from last time, whatever I made last time, I put them together and I came up with this asparagus and mushroom with pasta. So I used my macaroni pasta, but you can use any pasta that you like because that's what I have in hand. And I just put everything together with a little bit of lemon and Parmesan cheese. Voila! We're gonna have a really wonderful dinner tonight. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna start by heating the pot with some oil, then add the butter, stir them until the butter melts. Then to this we're gonna add the mushroom and we're gonna saute the mushroom until they're golden brown and tender. Then add the garlic, continue sauteing, and then add all that seasonings and the asparagus. Then cover to steam the asparagus. Once it's done, now we are going to add the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Then also add the Parmesan cheese, continue stirring, and add the pasta and keep stirring. Now we're going to add a little bit of chicken stock and then also add the sun-dried tomato and cover and simmer for about a minute or two. Okay, let's try our asparagus and mushroom with pasta. Wonderful. It's really flavorful. And let's try the mushroom. Lovely. I love that lemon flavor that it really gives to the pasta. And also when you're making anything with mushroom, try to saute the mushroom, brown the mushroom first before you add the rest of the ingredients because it really gives that nice earthy flavor to your dish. And also a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes gives that really nice savory flavor. It adds that savoriness to any dish that you make. So I love adding that, especially with anything with pasta and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. The creaminess from the cheese and the butter really makes a big difference. So my lovelies, try this, let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Until next time, have a lovely day. Bye for now.